People often ask me, Seiluke, what volume do I need to listen to your subliminals at? Now, while on the laptop, I usually go to about 40, 50% maybe. Now, while on my cell phone, or on the cell phone, I usually go a little bit higher, around 75% approximately, give or take, about 3% margin. Now, when it comes to the headphones, though, it depends on what headphones you're wearing, right? And also what your computer could be different than mine, your cell phone could be different than mine, but usually those are, right, the accurate percentages. Now, I know some subliminals you're supposed to listen to them really quiet, at a really soft level. As I mentioned, the ones that I upload and I create, I recommend going a little bit to, as I said, a little bit right at the point where it starts to become loud. You don't want to make it loud where it hurts your ears. You don't want to make it too quiet where you can't really hear the sound, right? Not obviously the sound and not the affirmations. The affirmations, you don't want to clearly hear them. That's the whole point of, a subliminal and what we're wanting to achieve. So turn up the volume, as I mentioned, right? You want to go right to where, right before it starts to become loud, right? For at least the subliminals that I upload. You all have a beautiful day. You are amazing. You are fantastic. You are special in your own perfectly unique way.